emergency
me.
weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Portage County
This
in
one's
northeastern
dead, so
Ohio,
that's why it's
southern
off.
Geauga County in
That one
northeastern
doesn't pick up
Ohio,
weather.
northeastern
This one's
Medina
status
County
is
in northeastern Ohio, southeastern Cuyahoga County
I'll
in
just stop
northeastern
talking so you
Ohio,
can hear the
northern
alert.
Summit County in northeastern Ohio,
That's me.
until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:22 p.m. Eastern
Really,
Daylight Time,
HH, now you have to
a severe thunderstorm
mess
was
up with the
located
static.
near North Royalton, or 13 miles south of Cleveland, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts.
What are you gonna do on the TV?
Source, radar
Yeah,
indicated.
I'll find out.
Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Akron, Ravenna, Parma, Cuyahoga Falls, Strongsville, Brunswick, North Royalton, Kent, Solon, Hudson, Twinsburg, Talmadge, Streetsboro, Warrensville Heights, Macedonia, South Russell, Garrettsville, Manaway and Stowe.
It's Garrettsville.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating. Has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Geauga, Medina, Portage, and Summit. Flood advisory in effect until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? Portions of North Central Ohio and Northeast Ohio, including the following counties in North Central Ohio: Lorain. In Northeast Ohio, Cuyahoga and Medina.
Oh, Medina.
When? Until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Impacts: minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Additional details at 5:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin